Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Google Ads remarketing audiences safely, full guide step by step clearly. To update your Google Ads remarketing audiences safely, start by logging into your Google Ads account. Navigate to the Tools and Settings menu located in the upper right corner of the screen. Select Shared Library from the drop-down options. Click on Audience Manager to access your existing remarketing audiences. Review the current audiences to identify which ones need updating. Select the specific audience you wish to modify. Click on the pencil icon to edit the chosen audience. Adjust the audience settings according to your new targeting criteria. If necessary, add new conditions or criteria to refine your audience. Be cautious while altering any existing settings to avoid unintentional exclusions. After making your changes, double-check everything for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on Save to apply the modifications. To ensure your changes are effective, monitor the audience performance regularly. Consider setting up alerts to notify you of significant audience shifts. If you need to create a new audience, return to the Audience Manager. Click on the blue plus button to start creating a new audience. Follow the prompts to define your audience from scratch, taking care to follow privacy guidelines. After completing the setup, review your audience list to ensure it reflects the changes made. Finally, allow some time for Google to process the changes and update the audiences accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.